Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Ayaz. So in this video, I'm going to start the new topic, which is ecology. The level is 8 and the book I'm following is International Lower Secondary Science Book 3 by Marshall Cavendish Education. So here we are having learning outcomes of this topic to distinguish between population and community, to describe how the communities in two habitats differ. You see, the species of living things are in millions. This includes different species of microorganisms, fungi, plants, and animals. Different species of different living organisms are found in different parts, climate on our planet Earth. Earth is different from other planets in the solar system. The reason is that it contains a huge quantity of water and gases that support life. Gases are carbon dioxide and oxygen. You can see in this video, it's a colony of ants. They live in social system. We call it colony. They work together, they store food and take care of their young ones. This is another example of animal, tiger, which is found in grassland. This is a bird, a kind of heron or stork hunting fish. Another interesting animal found in ocean is octopus. The interesting thing about octopus is that it also changes color and blend with its environment, just like chameleon. To distinguish between population and community, a place where an organism lives and reproduces is called a habitat. You see, there are different kind of living organisms, organisms of same kind and sometimes different kind lives and reproduce in the same place. We call it habitat. For example, grassland is a habitat, and you will find different kind of animals on grassland, like lions, cheetahs, deer, rhinoceros, etc. A group of organisms of the same kind living in a habitat is called a population. When a group of same kind of living organisms living in a habitat, we call it population of that organism. For example, we have pride of lion living in grassland. We have pack of wolves, pack of wild dogs in grassland. These are some examples of population of lion and wild dogs. Different populations in a habitat makes up a community. Remember, community is produced when you have different populations of different organisms in the same habitat. For example, if we have community of grassland, we have plants like grasses, sunflowers, wildflowers, cottonwood trees, acacia trees. These are found in the community grassland. Animals like hyenas, lions, tigers, zebras, elephants, deers, cheetahs, etc. You'll find these animals on grassland. This is the picture of grassland, and we are expecting these animals on the grassland. Tiger, deer, lion, hyena, cheetah, zebra, rhinoceros, bison, elephant, kangaroo, falcon, secretary bird, snake, lizard, frog. These are the some plants you will find on the grassland. You don't need to learn the name of these plants until we are provided so. So this is zebras. These are the zebras grazing on grassland. Here's another example of animal found on grassland. This is a rhinoceros and a kind of stork. And you can also see zebra on the right hand side of this grassland. And there's a jackal coming also between these two. So these are the some common animals you will find it on the grassland. These animals are population, and this grassland is their habitat as well as community. I'm saying community, the reason is that because you have population of different organisms. You see, these all are living together. They either interact directly or indirectly to each other in some way. Some of these cooperate with each other for their survival, while you can also have predator and prey relationship on this grassland. Lion is a predator for prey zebra found on this grassland. Here's another interesting animal. You will find it on grassland. This is hyena. The interesting thing about hyena is that it is both carnivore and scavenger. Can you answer why? You'll find these kind of plants on grassland. There's a bee buzzing on the flower, taking the nectar, which is its food, and these bees used this nectar to make honey. Here's another kind of plant. You'll find it on grassland. No need to learn their names. Now let's talk about another community, which is ocean. In ocean, you will find plants like seagrass, red algae, clap, etc. And there are lots of animals, which are mostly fishes, rays, sharks, turtles, dolphins, jellyfishes, whales, clownfishes, etc. Here you'll find blue tang on the right hand side and other fishes. You see, it's a community because it contains different kind of fishes and plants. Here's a video for turtle along with other kind of fishes found in the ocean. This is the video showing ray and some sharks and other kind of fishes found in the ocean. So ocean is a kind of community in which you will find these kind of fishes and other living organisms. Here is a seagrass you'll find in the ocean. Different communities support different types of living organisms. Grassland communities support living organisms like lions, cheetahs, hyenas, deers, wildebeest, zebras, vultures, falcon. The plants like purple needlegrass, buffalo grass, blazing stars, cornflowers, goldenrods, sunflowers, clovers, wild indigos, and others. A sea community support different types of aquatic animals and plants like seals, turtles, sharks, dolphins, whales, goldfish, clownfish, plants like phytoplankton, red algae, kelp, seagrass, and others. So here's a diagram of grassland community. I have already mentioned their name. We have tiger, deer, lion, rhinoceros, bison, elephant, lizard, snake, falcon, frog. And these are the plant you will find in the on the grassland, sunflower, and some other kind of flowers. Here's the community of animals and fishes you will find in the ocean. We have harp seal, we have American oyster, green turtle, we have common clownfish, we have giant manta ray, we have lionfish, blue tongue, blue whale, whale shark, orca, goblin shark, common bottlenose dolphin, great white shark, humpback whale, beluga whale. These are the plants you'll find in the ocean. This is seagrass. This one is kelp. And this one is red algae. Now let's solve this question. Try it out from your book. In which of the habitats shown below are each of the following plant and animals likely to be found? We have animals like crab, penguin, zebra, killer, whale, camel, lion, barnacle. Plants like cactus, grass, acacia trees. So grassland supports animals like zebra. So I'm writing the community here, community or habitat, grassland, and you find animal like zebra and lion. What about the plants? We'll find grass and acacia tree. Grass and acacia tree. What about the rocky seashore? Rocky seashore means the coastline. It's near the sea. So you'll find animals like crab and barnacles. You can't find animal like penguin or killer whale on the rocky seashore. And we don't have any kind of plants on this rocky seashore like cactus, grass, acacia tree. Cactus are found in desert. So next one is desert. In desert, you will find animals like camel. Camel is the only animal you will find on desert, and you'll find cactus also. I want you to predict the animals, fishes, and plants found on Acacia, Antarctica by yourself. Thanks for watching. Press like and share my videos. Give comments. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.